Good day traders. We have a good trading strategy to share with you by trading Quickler with great trading results. We consistently achieved good trading results with almost 90% winning rate. We trade for 5 seconds reversal by using the MACD or moving average convergence divergence. Let's set our chart into area charts, then let's trade for it by using our trading method. We have 3 patterns for our MACD having 3 lines. The orange line represents as our histogram. The red line signifies the signal line. And the green line is our MACD line. As we can see in our chart, the green line crosses above the red line while our histogram line is at the bottom of our 2 lines. This suggests a high probability that the trend will descend or going lower. Remember to trade as quick as possible since we're dealing with 5 seconds purchase time. Let's trade lower on this. Got our win on this trade. Let's find a good spot to trade again and make a good trade. This strategy requires great patience and a good timing for a successful trade. Another good trading spot here. The green line crosses below the red line while our histogram is at the top level. In this case we should trade higher. This trading strategy is extremely profitable, thanks to its advanced parameter settings that make our MACD a powerful indicator. Another good spot to trade. The green line crosses our red line while our histogram is at the bottom of the 2 lines. It's an opportunity to trade lower on this. Okay. Got lose on that trade. Only some of our trades will be good. But this will give at least 90% success in trading. Another good trading spot here. Let's go trade lower. A good spot here to trade lower. The green line crosses above the red line while our histogram is at the lower. A good spot to trade here. The green line crosses below the red line, while our histogram is higher of the 2 lines. See the rest of the video and get the parameter settings at the description below.